The plan was fairly simple. Bring in a DJ, have him test Sennheiser's HD280 Pro headphones, then take those headphones apart so we can put the different pieces to a test. Well, trying to get the shielding parts out of the headphones was not an easy task. Now, we tried to do it the official way, meaning unscrewing everything and trying to dismantle everything. But, well, we didn't have all day, so. The Sennheiser HD280 Pro is made out of a durable polycarbonate material, which is very strong and which enables a long life on the road. It is Sennheiser's most significant closed-around-the-ear headphone. Its robust design exceeds the demands of the professional stage environment. It offers high sound quality and aggressive shielding, that's noise isolation. The unique collapsible design makes it very easy to fold it together and to pack it whenever you're on the go. Well, it took us a while, but now that we have all the separate shielding parts of the headphones, we can start testing and we can start showing you how well it works. DJ Vinyl King is a good old-fashioned, state-of-the-art DJ with long and late hours in the mid-sized club scene of Brussels. We asked him to be our guinea pig. We taped 2 little microphones in his ears so you can listen in. And as we were playing music, we shielded the King's ears with the HD280 Pro's polycarbonate ear shells. As you notice, there's not a big of a difference. But if we bundle the ear shells with all the foams and cushioning and all the rest of it, we hear this. That's not bad, is it? This is without, and this is with noise isolation. Right. Okay. Now, besides the great shielding, the HD280 Pro headphones are very comfortable to wear. Yes, they're robust, but they're also very lightweight. And on wearing comfort, we have started another experiment, but that test's still running. If you're looking for closed-back headphones for mixing, for live stage use like DJing or other applications, you might want to have a look at the HD280 Pro. Great shielding, great sound, very comfortable to wear.